Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holder. Install the filter. Each connection pin has sealing rubber rings. Replace any damaged ones with spares. Remove the filter cap. Check the 2 large rubber rings on the bottleneck and replace them with spares if necessary. Securely connect the blue hose of the Hydrafacial handle to the recycle port and the transparent hose to the solution port. A white rubber ring is inside the Hydrafacial handle. Replace it if damaged. 8 transparent hard silicone tips, 6 white soft silicone tips. Attach the required hard tip to the Hydrafacial handle. If using the white soft tip, first remove the white rubber ring from the handle. Place the Hydrafacial handle in the holder. Display the red hose and spray handle. Connect one end of the red hose to the spray handle and the other to the release port. Then place the handle in the holder. Display the Microdermabrasion handle and black hose. Remove the cap from the Microdermabrasion handle tail. Insert the black hose through the cap, attach it to the handle. Secure the cap and connect the other end of the hose to the suction port. A black rubber ring is inside the Microdermabrasion handle. Replace it if damaged. Place a cotton filter on the Microdermabrasion handle. Knot the tip. Then attach the required tip. The black hose is also used for the glass tube. Remove the cap from the Microdermabrasion handle tail. Detach the hose, and then attach the required glass tube to the hose. Place the assembled Microdermabrasion handle and other replacement handles in the holder. Display the fresh and waste bottles. Check the 4 black rubber rings on their top holes and replace any damaged ones with spares. Remove the fresh bottle cap. Pour in the Hydrafacial solution, SA2 solution. Secure the cap, and then attach the bottle to the fresh bottle inlet on the main unit. Attach the waste bottle to the main unit. Empty it promptly if full, as the Hydrafacial handle will not function properly otherwise. Connect the power cord. Press the upper button on the side of the main unit. It controls the spray handle and Microdermabrasion handle. There are 3 rotary knobs at the back of the main unit. The top knob controls the suction intensity of the Microdermabrasion handle. Rotate it to the max. Place the handle on your hand to test the suction, and adjust it based on individual tolerance. Spray handle. Remove the cap from the mini flask on the spray handle. Pour in the serum and saline solution mixture at a 1:10 ratio. And secure the cap. Rotate the knob at the handle's tail to adjust the mist level, then pull the trigger in the center to begin spraying. Press the button that controls the spray and Microdermabrasion handles to turn them off. Press the middle button on the side of the main unit. It controls the Hydrafacial handle. The middle rotary knob on the back of the main unit controls the water flow for the Hydrafacial handle. Rotate it 1 to 3 turns towards the max direction, up to 12 turns. The bottom knob controls the suction intensity of the Hydrafacial handle. Rotate it 2 to 4 turns towards the max direction, up to 10 turns. Place the Hydrafacial handle on your hand to test the water flow and suction. If either is insufficient, rotate the corresponding knob further towards the max direction. Press the Hydrafacial control button to turn it off. Unplug the power cable.